destiny's sound. Swords ignite with celestial flame. We carve our names in the book of fame.